Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of finance and investment. Today we have something truly intriguing lined up for you. Today we're diving deep into Yes Bank, a name that has been on everyone's lips lately. If you've been following the financial news, you know that Yes Bank has had quite a journey. Remember when it was on the ropes? Yes Bank faced a severe crisis that shook the financial world. Its stock price plummeted, and many thought it was the end of the road for this banking giant. But hold on, because things have changed. Big time. We're talking a potential comeback story for the ages. Yes Bank is showing signs of a remarkable recovery, and it's catching the attention of investors far and wide. Yes Bank has been making headlines, and for good reason. The bank has implemented strategic changes and is now on a path to regain its former glory. But before you jump on the bandwagon, we need to assess its current state. It's crucial to understand whether this is a genuine turnaround or just a temporary hype. Is this a real turnaround or just hype? That's the million-dollar question. We need to dig deeper to find out what's really going on behind the scenes. We'll break it down, plain and simple. We'll look at the numbers, the strategies, and the market sentiment to give you a clear picture of Yes Bank's current standing. From its financials to its game plan, we'll uncover why Yes Bank is creating serious buzz. The bank has been working on restructuring its operations and improving its financial health. Get ready, because we're about to explore an exciting opportunity in the making. Yes Bank's potential resurgence could be a game changer for investors looking for promising prospects. By the end, you'll know if Yes Bank deserves a spot in your portfolio. We'll provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. So, buckle up. This is going to be a wild ride. Stay tuned as we delve into the details and uncover the truth behind Yes Bank's potential second wind. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this is one story you won't want to miss. Let's get down to brass tacks. Yes Bank's financials. Recent quarterly results? Impressive. Net profit is up, and those pesky NPAs are shrinking. These aren't just random numbers, folks. They paint a picture of a bank regaining its footing. A leaner, more efficient Yes Bank is emerging. This financial turnaround is the bedrock of any serious investment thesis. And let me tell you, Yes Bank's foundation is looking stronger by the day. Hold on tight, because Yes Bank isn't just relying on its past glory. They're making power moves. Think strategic partnerships and a digital banking revolution. They're teaming up with major players, expanding their reach and services. This isn't your grandpa's bank anymore. This forward-thinking approach tells you one thing. Yes Bank is here to stay and dominate the future of banking. Now, for all you chart junkies, listen up. Yes Bank's technicals are flashing green. We're talking moving averages converging, hinting at a potential golden cross. And the RSI? It's showing strong momentum without entering overbought territory. This isn't just mumbo-jumbo, it's the language of the markets. These technical indicators suggest that the bulls are ready to run. Section 5. The buzz is back. Market sentiment. In the world of finance, sentiment can be a powerful driver of market movements. It's the collective mood and attitude of investors that can push stocks higher or lower. Listen to the whispers on the street, the subtle cues and conversations that hint at the market's direction. Analysts and investors alike are paying close attention to these signals. Recently, analysts are turning bullish on Yes Bank. This shift in sentiment is not just based on speculation, but on concrete developments within the company. Ratings upgrades are rolling in, reflecting the improved financial health and prospects of Yes Bank. These upgrades are a vote of confidence from the financial community, and the market is taking notice. Positive sentiment is building, and this is evident in the rising stock prices. Investors are becoming more optimistic about the future, and that's like rocket fuel for a stock. When everyone's optimistic, the momentum can drive the stock even higher. It's a self-reinforcing cycle of positivity. Good things tend to happen. This isn't just hype. It's based on real progress and tangible results. Yes Bank has been making strategic moves to strengthen its position. It's a reflection of the real progress Yes Bank is making. From improving its balance sheet to expanding its services, the bank is on a path to recovery. The market believes in the turnaround story. Investors are seeing the potential for growth and stability, and this belief is driving the stock higher. The sentiment is not just a fleeting trend, it's grounded in the bank's ongoing efforts and achievements. Section 6. The complete picture. Holistic analysis. We've covered the financials, the strategy, the technicals, and the sentiment. Each of these elements provides a crucial piece of the puzzle, but it's only when we bring them together that we can truly understand the full scope of Yes Bank's potential. Now, let's put it all together. Imagine each piece of data as a part of a larger mosaic. Alone, they tell a story, but together, they reveal a masterpiece. This is the essence of holistic analysis. Yes Bank is firing on all cylinders. From its robust financial health to its innovative strategies, every aspect is working in harmony. The bank's technical indicators are strong, and market sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. It's like a finely tuned machine, firing on all cylinders. This isn't a gamble. It's a calculated bet on a bank poised for greatness. The precision and coordination within Yes Bank are akin to a high-tech machinery operating flawlessly. It's a calculated bet on a bank poised for greatness. Investors are not just hopeful, they are confident, armed with detailed reports and thorough analyses. They see the potential and are ready to capitalize on it. The stars are aligning for Yes Bank, and this alignment is not by chance. It's the result of meticulous planning, strategic execution, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. And that's a rare and beautiful thing in the investing world. When all elements come together seamlessly, it creates a unique opportunity. This is the moment where preparation meets opportunity, and Yes Bank is ready to seize it. Section 7. Risk versus reward. A balanced perspective. Now let's get real for a second. Every investment has risks. Yes Bank is no different. The past few years have been rough, and scars remain. But remember, with great risk comes great reward. And right now, the potential rewards of investing in Yes Bank are too big to ignore. It's all about managing your risk and making smart decisions. Section 8. Yes Bank in the broader market context. Let's zoom out for a moment. The Indian banking sector is booming, and Yes Bank is strategically positioned to ride this wave. With a growing economy and increasing financial inclusion, the demand for banking services is skyrocketing. Yes Bank is in the right place at the right time. This favorable macroeconomic backdrop adds another layer of confidence to the Yes Bank investment thesis. Section 9. The investment case. A compelling narrative. So, there you have it. A compelling narrative of financial recovery, strategic brilliance, technical strength, and positive market sentiment. Yes Bank is a company reborn, ready to reclaim its place as a leader in the Indian banking industry. The investment case is clear, concise, and impossible to ignore. Now, the question is, are you in? Section 10. The surprise. Your next move. Now, for the surprise I promised. I'm so confident in Yes Bank's potential that I'm putting my money where my mouth is. That's right, I'm buying Yes Bank stock. And I encourage you to do your own research and consider joining me on this exciting journey. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but an opportunity you don't want to miss. Let's make some money together.